My English book 4, Standard 4th, Subject English, Unit 2, 2.3, The Hare and the Tortoise, on page number 20. Point 3. Read aloud the following phrases. A few. A few. Quite a few. Quite a few. Long lips. Long lips. On and on. On and on. All this while. All this while. Slow but steady. Slow but steady. बच्चों, अब हम इन फ्रेजेस को सेंटेंस में यूज करना सीखेंगे। A few. I will eat a few apples. Quite a few. He ate quite a few ice creams. Long lips. She took long leaps and reached the school. On and on. The time goes on and on. All this while I completed my work. Slow but steady. The winners do work slow but steady. इस तरह बच्चों, आप लोगों को भी इन फ्रेजेस को सेंटेंस में यूज करने की प्रैक्टिस करना है। Thank you so much.